Hello and welcome to Lloyd Southlakes BMW. Today we have this X2 xDrive 18D M Sport X. This car's finished off in Alpine white and is July 2020 registered vehicle. This vehicle has the 19-inch V-spoke alloy wheels with the bicoloured finish. Being the M Sport X variant, we do have this contrasting grey trim running around the wheel arches, along the lower sill there. This vehicle also benefits from the rear sun protection glass. We have a power tailgate as standard on the X2 range. Moving inside, we have that very useful split folding rear seat arrangement at 40-20-40. We do have a false floor underneath as well, which can be lifted up and held out the way like so to either just increase your boot capacity, obviously put back down in place, keep items stowed away. Also with the M Sport X model, we have the silver contrasting roof rails and window surrounds in this variant. Into the rear of the car, the black Dakota leather running throughout. Some lovely perforation for the centre of the seats as well. That's a nice contrasting stitch throughout the vehicle. Rear passengers also benefit for some ventilation controls down the centre and USB points for charging mobile devices. Into the front, this vehicle also has the head-up display, the updated backlit LCD cockpit. We've got the uprated BMW Professional navigation system, so a much larger display. Fabulous sports automatic gearbox as well, linked to that 2-litre diesel petrol, 2-litre diesel turbocharged engine. And nicely finished throughout, obviously with the M Sport seats as well. I hope this video has been of use. If you do require a more detailed video or like some more information on this vehicle, please do get in contact and one of our sales executives will be more than happy to help.